On today's menu, a recipe so delicious and so simple, you'll keep calm and curry on. Vegan aloo curry.
Lei Hong Ma, I'm Yeung. Welcome to my channel where I help you cook with confidence. Now, if you haven't had a chance to check out my free ebook with 5 incredible, easy plant-based recipes, you can do so in the link above or a link in the description box below. There is an incredibly easy curry recipe in that ebook as well. Now, this curry recipe is so easy to make, and if you have some leftover boiled potatoes, you're already halfway there.
2 pieces of garlic, finely chopped. 1 shallot, finely chopped. Small piece ginger, finely chopped. Sauté pan. Medium heat. 2 tablespoons grapeseed oil. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. 1 teaspoon coriander seeds. Fry for 30 to 45 seconds. Sauté the shallots, garlic and ginger for 2 minutes. 2 teaspoon cane sugar. 1 teaspoon garam masala. Half teaspoon chili powder. 1 teaspoon turmeric. 1 teaspoon pink salt. Sauté for 30 seconds. Dice 1 tomato. Sauté the tomatoes for 2 to 3 minutes. Chop 1 long green chili. Two cups coconut cream. Turn the heat up to medium-high and give it a stir. Add in your peeled and boiled potatoes. Coat the potatoes in that amazing curry.
That is basically done. Now just let that simmer for about 5 to 8 minutes on medium-low. Just plate those amazing potatoes. Just pour over that incredible curry.
Top your curry with fresh chopped cilantro. You can now make this incredible aloo curry with absolute confidence.
That was just too easy. And you have this incredibly fluffy potato that soaks up all of that incredible flavor. So packed with flavor. It's not that spicy, and you have those incredible coriander seeds that just explode with flavor. That is just delicious. Absolutely amazing. Definitely check out that free ebook. I'll leave a link in the description box below. And remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.